Thank you for speaking to us, sir, today.
Okay.
Can you tell me a little bit about the company and the cutting tools that you make?
Yeah, the LMT Tools India is a 100% owned subsidiary of a LMT Group, Germany. So we are into the cutting tool business, specifically in the hob business since 106 years.
Okay.
So we started in 1906 actually that's, and we are specialized into the cutting tool mainly in the hobby business, and we produce the hobs from the smallest diameter module 0.5 millimeter to the biggest diameter of 50
Okay.
50 model, which is as of now used in the industry.
Right.
And we have the manufacturing facility here in Pune that we started in 2012.
2012.
Yeah,
Okay.
and our headquarters is located at a place called Hamburg in Germany. There we have our headquarters.
Right.
Yeah, so and we are supplying our high productivity hobs to the Indian market since last 20 years. And I can say proudly say that we are having the highest market share in the particularly in the automotive sector in the Indian market.
In automotive.
Automotive sector for the
Okay.
gear cutting
Okay.
tools requirement.
Okay.
And the same situation with the globally, you can say our headquarters, Germany, they also rank the number two, one or two in the from the global perspective also.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And we offer solid hobs as well as the index-stable versions, and so all the hobs required by the market demand, so that whatever the market is demanding, those products are exist in our portfolio.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, IMTEX 2023 is happening after a long break because
Yes.
of coronavirus.
Yeah.
So, can you tell me a little bit about the expectations from this particular summit this year?
Yes, you said rightly, it is happening after 4 years, and we have a lot of expectation that the customers or the potential or key customers will come to our stall. And I'm seeing a good response from yesterday. On first day, it was not so good, but since yesterday, there are a lot of customers are coming, or we are interacting with our customers, and we are showcasing in our high productivity tools,
Right.
and we are expecting the good response from the customers, all the
Okay.
customers.
How is the industry recovering? How is the company recovering after the disruptions of the
Yeah.
COVID-19 pandemic?
Yeah, industry, I can say it's well recovering. After this COVID in 2020, it was almost 30-40%. It was a drop in the business
Okay.
requirement. But from 2021, it is recovering very well. And I can say in 2022, we have reached the normal levels of before
Okay.
COVID, pre-COVID levels.
Right.
Yeah.
So now it's back to normal.
Now it's back. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of opportunity do you see in the Indian market, sir, for your company, for your product?
We see a lot of opportunities in the Indian market. That's the reason our headquarters is also very much focused in the Indian market. We are investing a lot. In 2022 also, we did the 50 crores of investment for the expansion of our capacity. In 23 also, we are again investing another 50 crores of rupees for the capacity expansion.
Okay.
And last year we started the production of some new products also, like solid carbide. And means earlier we were producing only the hobs required in the gear cutting industry.
Right.
But we are expanding our production capacity as well as capability to
Okay.
cater the Indian market.
Right.
Yes.
And what are the challenges of operating in the Indian market, especially now in a post-COVID scenario? There were a lot of supply chain disruptions because of
Yes,
COVID.
yes, there is a big disruption in the supply chain. I can say the raw material which as of now, nobody is producing the high-speed steel in India.
Right.
Everyone has to import from the Europe.
Yeah.
And we are facing a lot of disruption in the supply chain also, because during the COVID times, they also reduced their manpower, they also reduced the capacity, and suddenly there is a market demand. So our suppliers are also not able to meet the market demands.
Right.
So we face some supply disruption from the European suppliers.
Yeah.
But now it's improving, I can say. We feel that in 23 it should be normalized.
Okay.
And that's the one. And second, again, the manpower also.
Right.
Getting the manpower, good qualified manpower is also a challenge, I can say. Because they have a lot of demand, there is a lot of requirements, and the people's opportunities are there. So,
Right.
And that much of manpower is not available. Particularly, I'm talking about my production plant in Pune. We are
Okay.
facing that. That's one challenge we are facing. Yeah.
So are you optimistic now? What are the trends that you think will happen in the industry? Do you have any kind of forecast?
The forecast, yeah, I can say, as I mentioned, in 20 by end of
Where,
20,
in which sectors do you see growth, that kind of thing? Where do you anticipate?
auto sectors is still doing very well, but the EV,
Yes.
that's the focus area for everyone.
Right.
And hope in next 3-4 years that once our infrastructure is improved, so that segment is also going. going to be grow, and
Yeah.
and also the aerospace segment is also doing very well. So there are a lot of opportunities for the aerospace segment.
Okay.
So that is also you can say the outlook, good outlook for it. Then mold and die industries, and in general totality, we have a good outlook for the Indian market.
Okay. Now the gear technology India is launching. How do you
Okay.
think it can help the industry? Are you
I
optimistic
think
about the
this
magazine
is
as well?
a very good step, because I am a subscriber of the Gear Technology USA
US.
from our last 15-20 years, and I see a lot of useful information they publish,
Yeah.
and if we start in India and publish the useful information articles, so that will really help for the gear cutting manufacturers in industry, that how to
Right.
optimizing their production. They will get all the new information, what are the developments are happening in the cutting tool industry and in the machine tool
Yeah.
industry. So those information we will get to the customers, and which will definitely benefit to the customers in gear cutting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking
Thank
to
you.
us,
Thank
sir.
you.